In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your disabled Instagram account very easily. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover your Instagram account that has been disabled, then what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type form for disabled Instagram account. Click on this first link, click on I understand. Now, in order to recover your disabled Instagram account, you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your full name. Once you have entered your full name, you need to enter the email address that was linked with your disabled Instagram account. Now enter the username of your disabled Instagram account. Now in this final box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. In order to recover your disabled Instagram account, you have to accept your mistake and you need to assure the Instagram team that you won't make the same mistake again. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on the send option. And once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, you will receive a response from Team Instagram and your disabled account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.